What's going on, guys and girls? Wanted to show you what I'm working on. This is just a piece of aluminum I cut a few minutes ago. Made a cardboard template and then cut this out. Working on a Norcold refrigerator. This specific model is the N821, but this is gonna apply to a lot of other Norcolds. This is the bottom, this back corner right here, and this, I believe Chris Travels made a video on this same thing a while back. His door broke, but this piece was here just like that, and you can tell it broke off just being that it's plastic, and you can't just order this bottom rail. So what I did is I made this heavy duty new piece. I'm gonna shoot this on, put this together, and show you how it works out. Definitely don't want to strip these holes here. Just get it hand tight. And that's it. And we're gonna put this door back on. In order to get it on, now you have to remove the little pin here that goes in here, the top one, and this screws in, so just unscrew it. It's only got a few threads on it. That's it. And snug up your top pin, and the fridge now works better than new. And you'll see that this is the piece that I made, the black piece here. So there you go. Norcold refrigerator repair. If you need one of these, let me know. We'll work something out. I'm going to make a few more just to have them around. I'm sure I'll run into this again. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Hope it helps. Have a good day.